Hello students, today we are going to start a new poem that's name is The Rebel. The poet of this poem is D.J. Enright. Student, do you know the meaning of rebel? Actually, rebel means a person who doesn't follow others' opinions. He always does whatever he likes. Okay, if we say the opposite word of rebel, that is obedient. So rebel always does whatever he likes. He thinks own self. He doesn't follow others. A rebel chooses another way. Okay, you can see in the picture someone is giving instructions, and some persons are going in the same direction, but the person who is rebel by nature is going another direction. So this is the quality of a rebel. A rebel chooses another way. A rebel doesn't want to follow others but follows oneself. Okay, a rebel doesn't follow others. Okay, they always follow oneself. You can see in the picture, father is telling something to the son, but son is holding his fingers. Okay, they are stopping. Okay, holding his fingers. Okay, in the ear. So a person uh, of rebellious nature doesn't hear others advice. Okay, opinions. So before starting this poem, we try to know something about this poem. Central idea of the poem. The poem Rebel is composed by D.J. Enright. This poem is in the form of unrhymed couplets. Okay, couplet is the form of poems, poetry. Okay, couplet generally used in sonnets and dramas. These are the closing lines. Okay, couplets is of two lines rhyming together, but this poem not rhymed together, so that's why unrhymed couplets are there in this poem. It tells the nature of a rebel. So this poem, there is the description of a rebel, okay, rebellious nature. In this amusing poem, the poet shows contradictory attitude of a rebel by using funny remarks. Okay, in this poem, the poet shows contradictory attitude. Okay, opposite attitude, contradictory attitude of a rebel by using funny remarks, funny statements, which create much humor in the poem. He says that a rebel does whatever he likes despite what anyone else says. Okay, a rebel, a person of rebellious nature, okay, always does whatever he likes. Okay, despite what others are saying, he doesn't care. He or she doesn't care. He does just opposite of what others do. Okay, he always try to do just opposite of others. Okay, are doing by doing contradictory actions. Okay, his actions are contradictory from others. He always stands up for his personal opinions. Okay, he always stands up for his personal opinions. He always supports his opinion. But a rebel is straightforward and who looks with new ideas. But this is the very positive quality in rebel. A rebel is straightforward. Okay, straightforward, very straight in his opinions, in his speaking, in his thinking, everything. Very straight. Who looks with new ideas. Okay, always looks with new ideas. That's why a rebel, okay, comes with new ideas. They discover new things, new ideas. He is good critic also. So a rebel is a good critic also. Now let's have a look on the video of this poem.
When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the in fantastic clothes. When everybody's praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. It is very good that we have rebels who may not find it very good to be ours, who may not find it very good to be ours.
So this was the animated video on this poem. Now let's start the poem line by line. The rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Okay, in the first stanza, first two lines, when everybody is having short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Okay, that time rebel will not grow his hair long. He will keep his hair short. Okay, it means he is doing contradictory action here. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short again. The opposite thing. When everybody is having long hair, that time rebel will cut his hair short. Okay, he will try to keep his hair short. Why? Because he always try to look different from others. That's why he is rebel. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody is talking during the lesson, okay, they are discussing, that time rebel doesn't say a word. Okay, rebel will not speak any word. He will remain silent that time. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Again, when nobody talks during the lesson, when nobody is talking during the lesson, that time rebel will try to create disturbance among others. So he always does whatever likes, he always does, just opposite others do. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. So when everybody is wearing uniform, okay, in the classroom every student is wearing uniform, that time rebel will try to dress up himself in fantastic clothes. Okay, fantastic means fabulous clothes. Okay, bright color of clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So when everybody is wearing fantastic clothes, fabulous clothes, that time rebel will dress up himself soberly. He will wear very simple clothes. Okay, like a gentleman. So here also he will try to look different from others. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When a rebel will be sitting in the company of the people who love dog, okay, that time rebel will express a preference for cat. He will say good words. Okay, he will praise, okay, cats, because he is just speaking opposite, okay, against the dog lovers, and he is trying that his statements, his comments are right, cats are good and dogs are bad in comparison of cats. So his remarks are contradictory. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When a rebel will be sitting in the company of cat lovers, here his remarks will be different. Okay, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Here he will say good words for dog. He will say good things. He will tell good things about dog, and he will not praise cat. So in the company of cat lovers, he will say opposite the cats, and he will praise dog for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. when everybody is praising the rain, when everybody is welcoming the rain, that time rebel remarks on the need for rain. Okay, he will say it is now need for rain. Okay, it is very hot outside. Okay, so he will try to say just opposite others say. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So when everybody is welcoming the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. The rebel will say now it's the need for sun rays, daylight. Okay, rain is not good at this time. So he will say just opposite. Okay, to show that he is right and they are not right. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody is going to the meeting outside, okay, the rebel at that time will stay at home and reads a book. Okay, he will say, I will stay at home and I will read a book. And again, when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Okay, when everybody is staying at home, reading book at home, that time the rebel will say, I am going outside for meeting, because he wants to do always opposite things, okay, from others. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody is saying yes please in any party or any group, any class, everybody is saying yes please, that time rebel will not say yes please, he will say no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Okay, when everybody is saying no please, no thank you, that time the rebel will accept, he will say yes please. Okay, so in all the couplets you can see, all the lines you can see, rebel is doing just against of others, or opposite things from others. Okay, others are doing something, the rebel will do different thing from others. Last couplet, it is very good that we have rebels. So this line is very important. It is very good that we have rebels. Okay, why it is good that we have rebels? It is very good because rebels are the persons who come with new ideas. Okay, who come with new ideas, different things. They are thinker, they are discoverer. So it is very good that we have rebels. You know now, discoverers or the persons who come with new ideas, they invent something. So it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to you one, but in the last line, the poet says you may not find it very good to you one, because you will never want to become like a rebel. Okay, so this is the end of the poem by D.J. Enright. Now let's have a look on vocabulary. Here are some word meanings with explanation for your understanding. You can study them. Now here are some questions. Let's have a look. These are the PISA-based questions on the poem, so you can make your understanding better by studying these questions and answers. Do you know anyone who is rebellious by nature? If yes, write about some rebellious actions of hers. Okay, so do you know anyone who is rebellious by nature? So you can write, okay, some points about that person, okay, in your own words. Do you think a rebel can harm others? If yes, how? If you think a rebel can harm others, so if yes, so you can write in your own words. Generally, it is seen people do actions as others do, and it brings no change in people's thinking, ideology. Okay, as a rebel, what will you do for bringing a change in society? Okay, rebels are very responsible. Rebels are very responsible for bringing a new change in society. So as a rebel, okay, you can, okay, what will you do for bringing a change in society with your new ideas? What are the positive qualities in a rebel? So you can write the positive qualities. Okay, whatever you think about rebel, you can write them the answer. Now here is assignment for you. Write a paragraph on the topic rebel. Write short poem on the same topic, the rebel, by using your own ideas. Okay, so your class activity, you can draw some pictures of a rebel showing expression of him. So thank you for this class.